Hey, it's Corbett Lunsford, founder of the Building Performance Workshop. I just got back from the ACI conference and I need to go grocery shopping. I wanted to show you something with my carbon monoxide monitor that I wear everywhere with me. I'm in the coffee section right now and I'm just going to demonstrate to you what happens when we're breathing this stuff in. So, we take any old coffee, and of course what you do with this coffee is you want to see how it smells. So you're going to put it up to your face and squeeze it. Delicious. Now watch.